Why should you never use your phone in bed? Using a mobile phone is an addiction nowadays. Every generation, either children, teenagers, or older, are fond of using phones at night as a last thing, and in the morning as a first thing. No one wants to miss any gossip, trends, or urgent meetings or emails, but have you ever thought that maybe getting attached to your phone like this can affect your body in more than one way? Nowadays, it's a common practice to show poems and cartoons to make your child sleep. This is wrong. It stops development of their brain, affects the sleep quantity and quality both, and due to radiations, they have a greater chance of getting health issues. Not only children, but adolescents also have the habit to chat, socialize, and surf before going to bed. According to a study, using a phone before bed can suppress melatonin, a hormone which helps in signaling the brain that it's time for sleep. It is helpful in sleep cycles. Within years, your body adapts to the changing of light by the warm red light of a sunset, which means that the body needs to sleep, while the bright blue light of the morning is a sign that the body needs to wake up. The blue light emitting from phones, laptops, and tablets mimics daylight and suppresses the production of melatonin. Reducing melatonin makes it harder to fall asleep. Instead of melatonin, your body starts to produce cortisol, which is responsible for waking you up. This results in less sleep, making everyone a night owl. That means it takes us longer to fall asleep, and many years of delaying sleep can mess with our internal body clocks. Sleep is very important for everybody when it comes to work, study, and chores. If you aren't getting proper sleep, your whole day is going to be less focused, less energized, and lazy. Many years of having sleep-deprived routines can lead to diseases like obesity, diabetes, etc. because during the day, neurotoxins are built up which are supposed to get cleaned out at night by having a great sleep. If your circadian system is disturbed, you are going to have a lifetime of issues. If you are a web surfer and it's your habit to scroll every social media app before sleep or check your email, you are triggering your brain to stay awake. Using technology before bed can trick your brain that it needs to stay awake and can make it hard to relax and settle into slumber. To make sure technology isn't harming your slumber, get yourself at least 30 minutes without any gadget before going to bed. It can help you sleep faster. Technology is supposed to make your life easier, but using it before bed is getting you in trouble. It delays REM sleep, deeper levels of sleep, leaving you staring at walls. You have university in the morning, but you aren't able to sleep, just because you have scrolled on your phone, thinking of an upcoming project, replying to friends, or making stories in your head of fantasies you just saw on social media. All of this increases anxiety, doubting your emotions, and thinking, leading to released stress hormone cortisol. Your body got into a fight or flight response, and cortisol is released in your adrenal gland to combat these invisible midnight stresses. Many of us have a bad habit of keeping a mobile phone just beside our pillow. Not only are its radiations harmful, but the beep of a notification, late night messages, or calls can disturb your sleep. You should place your phone far from you while sleeping. We all love socializing, but do it in a way that can't harm your health. So, do you know anyone who is always using their phone? Show them this video and tag them in the comment box below.